Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas. I'm aboard the 2020 320 Vantage by Boston Whaler. This is one of the greatest boats you could possibly own because you can do everything with it. It's even got air conditioning and a generator. Let's start in the back. We have twin 300 Mercs on the back. These are the new V8s. They do have the joystick drive system. This boat's designed for scuba diving, fishing, dinner cruising, you name it. It can do just about anything. It even has a nice dive door on the side. Now the boat has a nice boarding ladder on the back, which is standard. This one's got the optional ladder that plugs into this dive door on the side. This is also great for boarding the boat from the boat dock as well. Plenty of room for your fishing, rod holders everywhere. However, check out the big lounge seat in the back. Easy to get up and down, piece of cake, completely out of your way. This system here has won a lot of awards for Whaler. The versatility of this seating system is incredible. We've got a removable table that can actually be mounted on the backside. These loungers can be dropped all the way down. You'll notice we've got a real nice picnic area here in the shade, but you can take the table down, and this seat here actually pivots around and faces forward, so you can do just about everything with it. Really neat system. Also on the Vantage, you'll notice we've got a live well made into the wet bar. This can certainly be used as an ice chest if you want. We've got a little wet utensil sink right there. A freshwater sink here. In fact, there are multiple freshwater outlets on this boat. Check out the electric grill, which works off of the shore power or the generator. Nice drawer style fridge underneath. All your controls for your aft systems are here. We've got a nice locker here in the floor. You scuba divers will like that. You can put tanks and different gear and things down in there. Also forgot to mention, this boat's got some huge fish boxes on the floor in the back. They make great gear storage as well if you're not putting fish in there. And on all the Vantages, we have side compartments. This one's got a nice air-conditioned cabin in it with a lounger that you can convert from a couch to a bed. And then on this side, we've got a really nice air-conditioned head system with a shower. Hard top. Huge bow area up here. This one's actually got the optional cushions that fill this in and make it a big sun tanning bed. Anchor windlass on the front. We've also got a lot of extra shade on this boat. In addition to the hard top, it's got a sure shade system that goes out of the back of the boat, and then a manually operated shade system for the bow. So this boat's comfortable no matter what the weather conditions are, and it's a great boat you can do a little bit of everything with. Plus it's extremely seaworthy. This boat can handle really rough conditions, and it's a Whaler, so it's totally unsinkable. Safest boat you can own. And we've got this boat and lots of other great options here at MarineMax of Houston. My name's Paul. Come see me. I'll be glad to take care of you and show you around.